Here are my tips and tricks to cutting complicated leaves without using a cutting machine. I like to use these little tiny clips, and of course your scissors are really important. I love this Kai brand of scissors because they're sharp and they are pointed and they get into those little grooves. I have here my extra fine crepe paper and it's quite wrinkled. So the tip for that is always make sure that your crepe paper is nice and smooth. You can use a regular iron, just remember to not use steam. Once you have that nice and flat, you can cut yourself a smaller piece. And then I'll just cut out the one side of each leaf. You don't need both sides, one side is plenty. And I like to use the right side, it seems to work best for me. Make sure that you line up your crepe lines with the lines of the template so that you have everything going in the right direction. Now go ahead and cut a generous width of the crepe paper from bottom to top. And then we'll take that piece of crepe paper and cut it into 3 smaller pieces, and we can overlay each of these pieces onto the other. That way we can cut multiple layers at a time. Place my template back on, again matching those grain lines. I'll clip that to the crepe paper and then clip the other side of the crepe paper to keep everything in place. Using my scissors, I'm going to cut that long straight line diagonally across the crepe paper. Now I'll just rotate that crepe paper again so all of the lines of the crepe are lining up together. Put all the edges together. I want to make sure they're nice and even. Then use my clips to clip the template securely onto the crepe paper. Okay, now I'm going to use the scissors and start cutting away some of the larger pieces. I'll start at the bottom and then kind of round over, over all of the details to cut away extra crepe paper. It's always easier to manage when you have less bulk, especially if it's going to be cut away anyway. Use plenty of clips to keep things in place, especially on those little fine point areas. And now I'll just take my tips of my scissors and start cutting into the points. You can see I'm not rotating out and cutting outwards, I'm cutting in. So every single cut that I do to get all of that detail goes into the leaf. I think I have a lot more control with my scissors when I cut in rather than trying to swing it back around and cut out again. And it takes a minute, but it's totally worth it. And I think something to keep in mind is the template is your guide. However, if it's not exact, it's okay because you'll have a lot of variety in your leaves, and I think that looks really beautiful. So just kind of be patient and go in and clip away all of those extra parts, not really worrying if it's perfectly straight on the line or even if the crepe paper shifts. So here you go. I'm going to speed up my cutting so that you don't have to sit here forever watching me finish. But this took me, I would say, less than, 5 minutes to cut these leaves. You can see I'm just chipping away with my scissors, removing the little bits of crepe paper. I am going to show you the full cut from start to finish. You can see here, it's not exactly perfect, but it's really close, and it gives that shape and feel of that rough kind of feathery looking leaf that we're trying to make. You can see how I'm getting in there and clipping away teeny tiny little bits, and that again is why I absolutely love these scissors. Sometimes it takes a few little clips to get those. I would undercut rather than overcut. So maybe cut a little short, and if you need to go back in with a second clip just to remove those extra pieces. This little tiny point is a bit tricky here. All right, there we go. It is completely cut. It is actually 3 full leaf sets. And personally, I think they look beautiful. I think they look just as good as if I would have cut them on the cutting machine. So I think this is a great alternative. I also always encourage hand cutting crepe paper because I feel like it just really brings us into a space of one with our crepe paper and adds that extra, touch of yourself into your beautiful arrangement.